The propaganda movement. The objective of this movement were to see reform and changes be the following. 1. To get equal treatment for the Filipinos and the standard under the law. Number 2. To make the Philippines a colony of Spanish. Number 3. To restore Filipino representation in the Spanish crowns. Number 4. To Philippinize Spanish. Number 5. To give the Filipino freedom of speech, of the presentation, assembly, and for readiness for revenge. Propaganda movement was a significant period in the Philippine history, marking the rise of the Filipino nationalism and advocating for reforms against the Spanish colonial rule. The propaganda movement emerged in the late 19th century, fueled by the growing sense of Filipino identity and the expansion with the Spanish colonial policies. So, sinasabi dito na ang propaganda ay isang mahalagang hakbang para makamit ang kalayaan ng Pilipinas, na sinasabi ito na kahit hindi ito naging resulta, ay nagbigay ito ng inspirasyon sa mga Pilipino para makamtan ang kanilang karapatan at kalayaan. The propaganda movement was political literary campaign led by the Filipino reformists, advocating for reform under the Spanish rule. It emerged after Cavite Mutiny of 1872, which led to the execution of Gomburza. Their deaths inspired a new generation of Filipinos intellectuals who sought political changes through peaceful means. So, sinasabi dito na hinangad ng propaganda ang reforma sa Pilipinas sa ilalim ng Espanya, na pinasimula ng tatlong pari na namatay na naglalayong makamit ang mapayapang kalayaan ng Pilipinas.
Formation of Propaganda Movement 1880s to 1890s, led by Filipino Ilustrados educated elite in Europe, particularly in Madrid, Spain. Three principal leaders are Jose Rizal, Marcelo H. del Pilar, Graciano Lopez, Jaena, aim to achieve reforms through peaceful and intellectual means. Ang propaganda movement po ay isang binuo ng nila Jose Rizal, Graciano Lopez, and Marcelo H. del Pilar, para ma-achieve po nila kung ano yung pakikipaglaban ng walang ginagamit na dahas. The publication of La Solidaridad 1889 to 1895, founded in February 15, 1889 in Spain by Graciano Lopez Jaena, became the primary newspaper advocating for Philippine reforms. Features work from Rizal, del Pilar, Ponce, and other criticizing Spanish rule. Ceased publication in 1895 due to financial difficulties and lack of support. Ang La Solidaridad ay isang publication ng newspaper na kung saan dito nilalagay ang mga reforma ng Philippines laban sa Spain. Jose Rizal's novel. Ito ay ang No Limitang Here at El Filibusterismo. Ang No Limitang Here ay sinulat noong 1887, exposed the injustice of the Spanish regime, particularly in the oppression of Filipinos by friars and government officials. Ang El Filibusterismo naman ay 1891, advocated for revolution and resistance, showing the darker side of Canadian rule. Noong Spanish era, pinagbawal ang pagbasa ng No Limitang Here at El Filibusterismo dahil ito ay kumakalaban sa gobyerno ng Spanya.
Leadership of Marcelo H. del Pilar 1890 to 1895. Replaced Lopez Jaena as editor of La Solidaridad in 1890s. Used satire and essay to expose Spanish friar corruption or dalasan at tuksuhan. Encourage Filipino to question and challenge colonial authority. Faced financial struggles leading to movement's decline. Ang pamumuno ni Marcelo H. del Pilar noong 1890 hanggang 1895 ay nagsimula ng palitan niya si Lopez Haina bilang editor ng La Solidaridad noong 1890. Ginamit niya ang satire at mga sanaysay upang ipakita ang mga katiwalian ng mga paring Kastila tulad ng dasalan at tuksuhan. Nikayat ni Del Pilar ang mga Pilipino na magtanong at hamunin ang mga otoridad ng kolonyal. Subalit nahirapan siya sa mga problemang pinansyal na naging sanhi ng pagbagsak ng kilusang Solidaridad. Decline of Propaganda Movement 1895 to 1896. Spain ignored the movement's demands, dismissing reformist efforts. Funding shortage led to closure of La Solidaridad. Many reformists, including Rizal and Del Pilar, lost hope in peaceful reform. Ang pagbulusok ng kilusang propaganda noong 1895 hanggang 1896 ay nangdahil sa hindi pagtugon ng Espanya sa mga kahilingan ng kilusan at pagpalampas nila sa mga pagsumikap na matupad ang reform. Ang kakulangan sa pondo ay nagdulot ng pagsasara ng La Solidaridad. Marami sa mga reformista kabilang si Rizal at Del Pilar ang nawala ng pag-asa sa pagmayamang. Formation of Katipunan ng Philippine Revolution. July 7, 1892, Andres Bonifacio founded the Katipunan, secret society of the armed revolution. The Cry of Puget Loud, August 26, 1896, marked the start of the Philippines Revolution. The Spanish execute Jose Rizal on December 30, 1896, further fueling nationalist uprising and the struggle of independence. Noong Hulyo 7, 1892, itinatag ni Andres Bonifacio ang isang mililing na samahan na nagpaguyod ng armadong revolusyon laban sa mga Kastila. Ang sigalang Puget Loud noong August 26, 1896 ay naging simula ng revolusyon. Ang pagpinay kay Jose Rizal noong December 30, 1896 ay lalong nagpasaklab ng daming mga kabayan at nagpalakas ng mga pag-aalsa para sa